Keval. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to handle Dropdown in Selenium. Here you can view in Dropdown two options are available. In this Dropdown we can select one option at a time. So let's start. First of all we will go to this URL. Here we enter the URL. After enter the URL, we need to create the object. Select dropdown is equal to new. Select. Here we enter the element driver dot find element by dot id. Right click and click on inspect. Here you can view id is available. id is drop down and two options are available, option 1 and option 2. Here we can click on this drop down by value and by text. We will see this both options by id, by index and by text. Here we input the id. Now we need to select the option. Here we can select by visible text and select by index. If you want to click on first option, so its index is 1. Index 1 and index 2. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will go to this URL and select the option 1. Home driver is successfully opening. First it will navigate to this URL and select the option 1. Here you can view option 1 is selected. If you want to select second option, then you will enter the second. 2 means second index. Now it will select the second option. Home driver is opening. After opening, it will navigate to this URL and then select the option 2. After this, we will select by text. Option 2 is selected. Now we will select this option by visible text. Here visible text are option 1 and option 2. Now we need to enter dot select by visible text and visible text is option 1. First it will navigate to this URL and select the option 1. Here multiple options are available. You can also select by index and you can also deselect. Option 1 is selected. Same, you can enter the option 2. Now it will select the second option by visible text. Chrome driver is opening. and navigate to this URL and select the second option, which is option 2. Option 2 is selected. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.